last night when we were driving the car, I couldn't figure out why it felt like it just like fell on its face. You guys could see the check engine light was blinking. It was misfiring. So I have the car here today. I actually do have a spare coil pack in the garage, and we are going to swap that in, and hopefully that will fix the issue. So I usually just buy a coil pack from AutoZone, one of the Duralast ones, but they're like 190 bucks, and I'm not paying that much. So we've got some Amazon quality stuff. I think it was like a Delphi or something like that. I don't even know, but we've got this like 45 bucks shipped to my door, and then we've got BKR7E plugs. We have a fresh set in the car. They're about 2 weeks old, so I'm not even going to change those. We'll just put the new coil pack in, and hopefully the misfire subsides. I've never had the car misfire up top. Maybe something to do with fueling. Maybe I got bad gas or something. Yeah, I've never had it misfire like that. Usually when the coil pack is bad, it starts misfiring when I just come to a stop at like a stoplight or something. But yeah. Alright guys, so we literally fought with this thing for probably an hour. It's starting to get dark now, but the plug for the coil pack would not go back on because that weather protection kind of like seal in there, the orange seal, it started deteriorating in the plug, so it was not able to go onto the new coil pack. So I had to go ahead and kind of remove parts of that that were obstructing it and just not letting it seat on the plug itself. Now it's on there tight and it should be fine. And with the coil pack, I think I will be ripping through those actually kind of fast. Now that the car is turbo, it's going from NA application to boosted application. And when you're driving, it goes from NA to boosted, just constantly varying with timing in the coil pack. So if it was just like the single coils like what 1.8s have, I think those would be a little bit more resistant, but since it is a pack of coils and yeah, just a solid unit, I think it will actually just start to kind of wear prematurely. So that is one thing that you will be paying for with having a turbo 2.0 8 valve engine. I think the coil was actually designed not to be abused that hard. So anyway, it is in the car and it should rip now. I wouldn't be surprised if we pick up some horsepower that was lost, and dang, she looks good in this light. So anyway guys, we will go ahead and take the car for a drive a little bit later, and we'll see if the ignition coil actually makes a difference and we don't go into like a misfire mode again. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll clear up the issue. Yeah, anyway, we'll shift down to second, roll into it, and see what we can do with this. Pay attention to the check engine light. Definitely made a difference, guys. Like, we caught up to the people that are on the highway,